pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans. Pose with the fans. Fans.
Madali na ako eh. Bakit may error? Ano nangyari? Kailangan mo yung ipasa to. Natawagan ko nga si Kuya.
Aray! Init naman na ito. Kring, kring! Kring, kring! Kring, kring! Low? Nyari, be?
Hello po, Kuya Lee. Pwede po ba kayo pumunta dito sa bahay? Nagka-error po kasi yung PC ko. May research po ko na deadline na po mamaya.
Ha? Chill lang. Pumahala dyan. Day solution since 2010.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Huh?
Line toolbox. Aray! Sakit? Malamang! Well, yung tricycle. Oras na ba? Ay! Nakalari ko. Uwi ko na lang ba? Na? Sige na nga. Chanel?
Uy, finally, Kuya Lee, dumating ka na rin. Asan yung safety gear mo?
Wala! Ang tunay na repairman, instinct lang ang gamit.
Sige, i-instinct mo na lang din na hindi ka makakuryente.
Ano ba nangyari dyan?
Hindi ko rin po alam eh. Nagkaroon na ng po bigla ng error.
Sige, ako nang bahala dyan.
Sige, thank you po.
Baka sa system unit ang sira nito. Ouch! Live bar pala to. Kala ko electric car okay lang.
Kuya Lea, ano pong ginagawa niyo? Hindi niyo po ba alam yung mga rules sa pag-aayos ng system unit?
Alam mo,
Rule number 1, unplug the device bago ayusin. At rule number 2, magsuot ng safety gloves para iwas electrical shocks.
relax lang be. Onting parrots lang to. Oops. Test run lang.
Kuya Lea naman, anong ginagawa mo? Oh, eto Kuya Lea. Basahin mo para mas lalo ka magkaroon ng kaalaman sa pag-aayos ng system unit.
Lagi kagat na siya.
When repairing a computer system, we follow safety precautions to avoid accident and ensure proper handling during the repair process. Number 1, we need to wear a safety gear to protect ourselves from electrical shocks, static discharge, or injuries. Number 2, we need to unplug devices to prevent electrical shocks and damage to components during repairs and upgrades. Number 3, ground yourself to avoid electrostatic discharge which can damage sensitive computer parts like motherboard, RAM, and CPU. Number 4,
Organize your tools and workspace to ensure efficiency, reducing the risk of losing small parts, and prevent accidental damage to components.
Number 5,
Follow the manual or checklist, guiding proper repair steps to avoid mistakes and ensuring that all necessary tasks are completed systematically.
Okay, unplug check, gloves check, outfit check. Unplug check, gloves check, genius, of course, always check. Yun, okay na. Try ko nga kung gagana. Yun, okay na.
Uy, sakto Kuya Lee, kabihis na ako. Papasok na lang ako sa school pagtapos ko gawin yung research ko. Thank you Kuya Lee! Yun, salamat. Tapos na yung research ko.
Na laging magsa
Mas lalo ka magkaroon ng kaalaman sa pag-aayos ng
When preparing
Laging sumunod.
Uy, finally Kuya Lee,